welcome back to PrepN5. You asked for the deep dive, so here it is. Today we are breaking down every single step, exponent rule, and fraction calculation for the first 3 questions of exercise 1.1. Grab a pen, because we are getting into the details. Let's look at question 1, parts 1 and 2. The golden rule is that I squared equals -1. For part 1, break the odd exponents down by pulling out a single I. Then convert the even numbers into powers of I squared. -1 to an even power is +1, and to an odd power is -1. Combine them, and you get 0. For part 2, separate the negative sign first. Treat it as -1 to the 23rd, which stays negative. Reduce the I part down to -I, multiply the two negatives together, and you get +I. Parts 3 and 4 introduce fractions. The secret here is exponent rules. A power of 1/2 is a square root. And the square root of -1 is exactly the definition of I. For part 3, substitute I to get I to the -23. Move it to the denominator to make it positive. We know I to the 23 is -I. Finally, rationalize the fraction by multiplying top and bottom by I to get your answer. Part 4 is the same substitution, leaving you with I to the 15, which easily reduces to -I. Question 2 requires us to prove the equation equals 0. We do this by breaking down each of the 4 terms independently using our I squared trick. Just divide the large even exponents by 2. Once you evaluate the positives and negatives, plug them back into the main equation. You get -I, plus 1, minus 1, plus I. The 1's cancel, the i's cancel, leaving you with 0. Proof complete. Finally, question 3. Addition is all about grouping real numbers with real numbers, and imaginaries with imaginaries. In part 1, distribute the outside numbers into the brackets first. Then combine 3 minus 2, and 6i plus 6i. For part 2, apply the same grouping rule. Find a common denominator for the real fractions, giving 3/4. The imaginary fractions already share a 3, adding up to -1i. And part 3. Ordered pairs are just coordinates. Add the x parts and y parts, and you are done. See you next time. If you found this interactive video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to PrepN5, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future lesson. Happy studying, and I will see you next time.